Hello. In this video, I will be reviewing the Accelerator Oscillator indicator by Trade on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator colors the candles on the chart in 3 colors: green, red, and gray, each representing a different type of trend. When we have green candles, it indicates an uptrend, and when we have red candles, it indicates a downtrend. When the candles are gray, it shows that the market is ranging or in a neutral zone. Let's go over the settings.
7 powerful volume trading indicators: footprint, volume profile, and fast scalp. Level up your trading.
Of this indicator together. In the settings of this indicator, we can customize the colors of these zones as we wish. You can simply choose the color of the green candles, the red candles, and the gray candles from among these available options. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. Finally, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us in the comments section to help improve the indicators.